Gout. Let's get started. Gout. Gout is a type of arthritis known in your hands, your fingers, your feet, and your joints. It's a swelling from the uric acid. Want to know how to cure gout? Well, first of all, exercise, eat right, and avoid sugars at the most. Sugar, it's not organic and it's not good for you. Gout isn't the prettiest thing. How do you prevent it? Well, exercise, avoid meat, have an anti-inflammation diet, eliminate caffeine, drink water. There's a lot of medications out there that can help, like drugs and surgery. Well, for surgery, your uric acid breaks the bone, which it can do permanent damage. Like you may need a joint fusion or a joint replacement. And for drugs ain't a cure. They're just help ease the pain. And it still hurts having a gout attack. It doesn't help. So you could use medication to block the uric acid, but it's not going to help permanently. The only way you can help prevent gout is if you have a healthy diet and exercise and avoid the stuff that can cause it. What causes inflammation? Inflammation is caused by when the white blood cell is attacked from the uric acid. And before we go, you cannot die from gout.